Hi, this is Ray Gibbs from Swim Canary Wharf. GE have asked me to look at their dream team swimmers that are competing in the GE Canary Wharf Triathlon on the 30th of June. Our first subject is Anna Price. Anna comes from a long swimming background, and for the last few years she's been competing in water polo. She's made the transition from water polo to more of a distance style stroke very successfully, and as you can see from above the water, it's all looking very good indeed. From this angle, you can see Anna's hips are high on the surface. She's kicking from her glutes. Good body rotation. And you can also see that Anna's very, very comfortable with her breathing. Lots of bubbles flooding out of her mouth and nose as she turns to take another breath. From this angle, you can see Anna's catch. It's basically a straight arm catch, which would have worked well for her during her water polo days, but could use some refinement for distance front crawl swimming. We'd like to see a slight convexity in the arm as she pivots from the elbow, followed by the shoulder. But at the Canary Wharf Triathlon, this will be fine over 400 metres. From this angle, you can see Anna's excellent body rotation. But at the same time, she keeps her head absolutely still. You can see the brim of her cap pretty much horizontal despite her body rotation. She only turns her head when she takes a breath. One small flaw we did work on during this session was the fact that occasionally when Anna turns her head to breathe, she turns it a little too high. This causes over-rotation and her lead arm sweeps across her centre line. This causes Anna to send energy sideways rather than directly backwards. We worked on a very, very simple drill to correct this. In effect, we cut the front crawl stroke down to 3 pure strokes. If you look at the inset box, you can see Rob is demonstrating the 3-stroke drill. With the head absolutely still, take 1, 2, 3 strokes. Then when you're back into the extended position, take a breath. Then 1, 2, 3 strokes. In extension, practice turning your head as little as possible to prevent over-rotation. Let's take a look at Anna again after we'd spent some time working on the 3-stroke exercise. You can see she turns her head slightly less, and this prevents over-rotation. And that in turn prevents her left arm sweeping across the centre line. Look out for Anna and the rest of the GE Dream Team racing at the Canary Wharf GE Triathlon on the 30th of June.
British Triathlon, proudly partnered by GE. Imagination at work.